drug use. This study is showing that it reduces from 100% in the people who are enrolled down about 70% during the period that they were on methadone. Then these people were taken off the methadone and 80% of them went back to IV drug use. And this was also associated with changes in the outcomes of how many felonies were committed by these folks, how many of them passed away. And there were other things besides just the relapsing. And then maybe if there's anyone in this audience who wants to get her done fast and really make things quick, there's sometimes ads around for ultra rapid detox. And this essentially doesn't end well. It's not, if you hear about this, please don't send your family members. It's not a good, there's no medical society that endorses this essentially. Another really effective tool is cognitive behavioral therapy, and I apologize, I'm not a counselor, and so I'm sure I'm going to not describe this in the appropriate psychological way, but essentially it boils down to, for me, the idea that behavior is due to false beliefs, and the belief is that you're unable to stop drinking. So if you change the underlying beliefs, then you're able to change the behavior. Again, apologies. And this is showing just that idea that kind of under the surface is all these submerged ideas and moods and behaviors and personality that's erupting up into action. And if you can interrupt the lower levels, you're able to change the behavior. In this case, the behavior obviously we're talking about is drinking or using drugs. So the mood would be a mood of pitiful, incomprehensible demoralization, which never feels too good. Demoralization, sorry. And the beliefs underlying that are often things like, there's no way I can stop using, so I might as well continue to use. There's definitely spiritual remedies for the treatment of alcoholism and drug addiction. One of the most common, which is freely available and present throughout many countries and certainly present throughout Ann Arbor, would be Alcoholics Anonymous, based on the 12-step program. There's also some rather angry people who don't agree with this spiritual solution alluded to by Dr. Christensen previously. I don't know. I personally